Hey you! Stop right there in the name of the law.
You
You heard me, you little scoundrel. Stop right where you are.
Dude, how the shit did you get into my apartment? Who are you?
Boy, don't talk that little nonsense to me. Quit beating round the bush.
What are you fucking wearing?
Now listen here, bub. I am the impenetrable crab. I know you've heard of me. And I don't take kindly to that.
You look like a fucking homosexual.
Stop resisting arrest.
I am not fucking under arrest. What are you doing in my goddamn apartment?
I am gonna butt hump you if you don't follow compliance.
That doesn't even make any sense, you fucking nutcase.
I need backup. I need backup. We have a code 1-1-3 Fort Minor Blue House on the loose.
Shut your fucking mouth. My baby is trying to sleep. And your breath smells like fucking dog shit.
Just wait until my correspondents arrive, boy. We will throw you in the slammer for a long, long time.
Just get the fuck out, please.
This is not a joke. This is not a lollygag. Does this seem funny to you, boy?
Get the fuck out of my apartment before I chop your ass up.
Sir, I will fuck you in the rectum and masturbate on your tonsils.
What the fuck, dude?
I will slice my taint open and smear the pus onto your lips and French kiss you. Then I will lather my urethra and weak old egg salad and forcefully shove it into your sexy ass body.
That shit isn't even funny, man.
Warning. This is the impenetrable crab speaking to home base. We are going to need heavy artillery with this one. I have an escaped convict who is fleeing arrest. He is heavily armed and refuses detainment.
Who the fuck are you even talking to?
Eat shit. Lawbreaker. You fucking pansy bitch.
Dude, I will seriously fucking murder your ass.
Arterial threat objected. Fight or flight response initiated. I must now dwell on my penile fungi.
I will dig your grave and drag your stupid ass right into it, if you don't get your strange ass out of here.
No opponent can defeat the impenetrable crab. I am impenetrable.
I will penetrate your fucking skull with that big ass saw.
1, 1, 11, 111, 1, 1, 1, 11, 1, 111, 1, 11, 1, 1, 1, 11, 1, 1, 1, 111, 1, 1.
You're a fucking bastard. You know that, right?
I like to stretch my dick hole on dull objects.
What did I do to deserve this?
You broke the law. Now I am going to break the dick.
Can you at least speak normally?
Fuck that weak shit dog. I am Jesus Christ.
I have never seen a damn thing like this before. Is this real? Am I in a dream?
They call my quack the whipped cream dream.
I think you need some fucking help.
Threat detected.
You are seriously a goddamn nuisance.
Threat detected.
I will rip your fucking bladder out of your asshole if your shitty ass doesn't leave.
Threat detected.
3.
Threat is evading. I have lost spot of threat. Evasive recourse must be performed.
2.
No threat detected. Threat is presumably annihilated.
1.
What? Who are you?
I am coming to kill your ass.
What? Why? Wait. How the fuck did I? Oh shit. Not the crab outfit again.
What is going on?
Oh. I have Asperger's.
Well, this is fucking awkward.
I didn't rape you like I raped that minivan filled with children. Did I? When I made that pornography video for Anal Ambush Entertainment.
No, you did not fucking rape me.
Well, I am going to leave now. Have a good day, sir.